Hey guys, I'm just getting around. Lazy Saturday morning and cleaning house, but I wanted to show you something really quick, so it's going to be a very, very short video. Um, Here's a light I got from a friend of mine, and I spliced an extension cord and wired it all by myself. So if you're an electrician, don't look at that, but look at my babies. I've got mortgage lifter tomato babies coming up. Radish babies, broccoli babies, basil babies. These over here have been a little more finicky. I got straight 8 babies and black cream tomato babies. And you know what? That's it. No rosemaries. And I'm no early tomatoes. And I'm holding out on my chocolate cherry tomatoes. See them right here? And I check them every single day because cherry tomatoes are my favorite. Nope, nothing. And no jalapenos. So they're taking a little longer. But we got radishes, and they got to be transplanted. And the tomatoes that all the seeds came up in the cup, I'm going to go ahead and transplant them out onto their own today when I get done cleaning the house. But yay, babies. Of course, now there's a cold front coming in, and it's going to be so cold for the next week. And it's my fault because I kept saying, I don't think we're doing winter. And I started seeds. So, hey, look at this. This little jewel right here. Let me pull it out. Ugh. Look at it. It just came up this morning. Hi, baby. Happy birthday to you. So, they are precious. Those are going to be cucumbers. These are bags. I tried to start some seeds in. No luck on anything out of them yet. I wanted to see how that would work out. I think that for that to work, I'm going to have to take the bags and put them in something so they're not sitting in water. I think they're just in way too much water down there. So, just super, super quick. I did want to tell you, look at my basils. Here, let me fidget with it and see if I can get out. Kill them all. Look out there. Happy birthday. So, the other day I came in here day before, whatever. And these were so yellow that I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and bring in the light. And they're so green. I run it all night. I ain't running that light when I'm not home. Because y'all, look at this. Look at that fine craftsmanship right there. So, and they're just regular fluorescent lights. So anyway, if I'm not home, I'm not running that goofy nonsense. I don't want to burn the house down. But we got babies. All right, I'll be back later with more projects. Bye.